Yo, what's up guys? In today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to make a sick RODDY RICCH guitar type beat inside FL Studio 20. This is actually my second time recording this, because the first time I forgot to press record on the screen, so I just recorded my voice with no footage though. So I wanted it to be like a cook-up video, but it is how it is. So yeah, I started with a really cool VST. It's actually a library for Contact 5 called Acoustics. I made this nice chord progression with the guitar. It's in C harmonic minor, I think. This is how it sounds like. And here for the bridge part, I pitched it down by 1 octave. After this, there's a really cool VST called Retron, which actually sampled the Beatles Mellotron. And yep, after this I added this choir from by the way, this plugin is actually free. You can go and download it. It has, I think, like it has like a violin, like the Mellotron flute, and a choir as well. I think you should definitely go get it. This part is Boys Choir E with Ease from Omnisphere. And after this, I added a really cool sub bass from Massive, from the Weekend expansion pack. It just follows the root notes of the chords. I'll mute this because I'm adding the 808 now, which again follows the root notes. Actually, let me use this one instead. I layered it with the kick, which doesn't hit on every 808, just accents some of the hits. I added a clap and a snare, pretty basic patterns. Open hats, actually 2 open hats. And a perk as well, and a crash. I threw some hi-hats with a little rolls in the mix. that's it for today, guys. If you have any requests, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. And yeah, enjoy the beat, and I'll see you next time.